To save just one page of a PDF as JPG on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where the PDF file is in. Tap the PDF file to open it. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap page sorter. Now tap the three vertical dot icon on the desired page you like to save as JPG. Tap save as file and then select image file. Select the required folder where you want to save the JPG. Tap done button. If needed, you can rename the JPG file so you can easily manage it later. And then tap save. By doing this, your phone will convert the selected page from the PDF file as JPG and then save it in the folder you select. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.